Is your Volvo XC60 showing a black screen when you plug in Apple CarPlay? Around 80% of these display issues are just minor handshake errors between your phone and the Sensu system. Before you visit the dealer, let us try the hard reset. Press and hold the home button until the screen reboots, then wait for the logo to appear before plugging your phone back in. If that does not work, always swap to an original Apple cable and check your port for lint. If the screen stays black, you might need a dealer software update for your IHM communication module. Most issues are solved by resetting, but recurring blackouts suggest a hardware fault requiring a shop visit. As you can see, the vast majority of fixes are simple resets or cable swaps. Follow this specific order to rule out the most common causes before paying for a diagnostic fee. Keep a high-quality cable and a plastic pick in your glove box for quick troubleshooting on the go. Remember that these systems are essentially computers, and they need a moment to stabilize after a hard reset. If you're still stuck, check your Volvo app for any pending remote updates and subscribe for more XC60 tips.